baby dragon living to mommy. Yeah? You're right, Mama? Minnie?
Yeah?
Let's do the daddy dragon first.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there's a little baby dragon. Baby dragon. You said you like that, Minnie?
I do like that. I like your story a lot.
Yeah.
What did the baby dragon do in the story?
It said, he said, he got raise fire.
He could breathe fire?
Yeah. Blow our house down.
And he blew the house down?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We have to, it's like a super jockey.
Super Jackie has to come and save the day?
I know how my cape on.
Oh, well, we can do that later.
Okay, Minnie.
Okay, Mickey. Is that how the
What
story
are my
ends?
superpowers?
I don't know. Is that how the story ends?
Yep.
All right.
Let's do it together, honey.
Okay, honey.
Let's get down.
All right.
I have to stay back up.
Okay.
You stay in with me, Minnie?
Sure, Mickey.
It's safe. It's burned the house down.
It burned the house down, but
Yeah.
Super Jackie saved the day.
Yeah, I do save that.
You did save the day.
It's still this.
Yeah.
Stop my fingers.
Did you save the Princess Mummy?
Yeah. Come here, you princess and mommy.
Okay, from the dragon.
Come sit with King Jackie.
Oh, King Jackie now, huh?
I am King Jackie.
Oh, all right.
Come here.
I can't. Are you all? All right. Are you all done with your story? Can you say? And they lived happily ever after. The end.
And